Welcome to my animated tour map. I did not have many opportunities to travel abroad, but when I do, it will always be a memorable experience. The main theme of this tour is having tourism experience without actually following tour guides. This was based on my traveling experiences through my trips with my friends and family. My three special destinations are New York City in United States of America, Puli Township in Taiwan, and Kyoto in Japan. Each of these places has its own significance, which will be explained in more details during the tour. Because each of these places is far from each other, this tour will be in a flying mode instead of walking mode. The first meaningful place that we're going to talk about is the New York City. New York City is one of the most popular destinations in the United States of America. The city is a very fast-paced environment where it is the home of the Empire State Building and the Statue of Liberty. It has suffered the 9/11 attack where many people were killed and buildings were destroyed. To this day, people still remember the tragedy and the building constructions are still continuing. This was the first trip I have taken with my friends where we went by ourselves. This trip mostly consists of minor sightseeing and mostly shopping. It was a memorable trip because we had the freedom to travel around New York City without parents. This symbolizes that Stedman 2003 suggested symbolic meanings about a place can be translated into connotations, descriptive statements of what this place means to me rather than how much it means. Meaning are the connotative building blocks of attitude that combines with value. According to Backtracker in 2006, leisure activities constitute the principal reasons for tourists to visit. The meaningful place aspects all depend on and resolve around potential and remembered leisure activities. All the shopping and sightseeing were done with friends, and whether it was positive or negative experience, because of the time constraint, we did not have the chance to see all of New York. However, the fact that we were able to see the decoration in Times Square was good enough. Place identity defined by Poroshenki in 1979 as those dimensions of self that define the individual's personal identity in relation to the physical environment by the means of a complex pattern of conscious and unconscious ideas, belief, preference, feelings, value, goals, and behavioral tendencies and skill relevant to this environment. It was also a bittersweet trip because there were miscommunications between people as to where we needed to meet. Lessons were learned on planning in details and being responsible. I learned that what makes a trip go a lot smoothly and what kinds of activities I wanted to do more when I go to urban cities. This place connected to me because of the memories in New York City and what I learned that are useful in future trip planning. Other than realizing what I enjoy doing while I'm in a new place, I also realize what kind of people I get along with to make it a special place to me and become attached to it.